welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this beautiful box braid hairstyle. I hope you guys are interested in this video. If you are, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I am back with another wig video. This time, this video is a braided wig. I am excited because this is my first time ever having one of these. I was sent this wig from KALYSS. I think it's KALYSS. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I will have the link in the description box. But I got this wig from Amazon. It is 36-inch box braid wig. I will have clips of it so you guys can see the construction and what it looks like. It looks really nice at the top. So they tried to give it a realistic look in the back, and you can tell it's a little scarce, I guess. They could have probably added some more braids, but it just depends on the hairstyle you decide to wear. Again, it is 36 inches. If that gives y'all any type of idea of how long it is, this is what it looks like on the ends. And I am just going to install it and let you guys know what I think about it.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hood. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies.
Okay, so just so y'all know, starting right off the rip, it's a little snug. It does come with adjustable straps, but I may have to loosen those up. We will see.
But now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet.
Okay, so this is what it looks like on so far. Again, like I said, it's a little snug, so I don't know I don't know if we're gonna call this big hair friendly or not, because it's a little snug. Now I do have my hair in a protective style underneath my wig cap. It's in braids, so that could be it. Normally I have it in 2 braids, so the units lay a little bit flatter, but this is what it's looking like so far. It's really pretty. Like I said, now I don't know if it's big hair friendly or not. I'm gonna see if I can pull this hair out my face and lay down the baby hairs. But look at that already. We ain't even did the edges yet. It's already giving.
And down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking.
Yes, it's already giving. I already like it. Okay, so let's see here.
Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
I don't think that you necessarily need all these baby hairs, so I'm gonna cut some of them off. Cause y'all know I don't do baby hairs like that.
I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up. meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far, y'all. I'm not a pro at doing baby hair, so that's probably the best I can get them. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so take it out of the ponytail, see what it look like down. So I typically like my hair going to the other side, so I'm gonna change it and see how I feel about that. I like to wear my hair to this side. Okay.
I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the way.
Okay, so at this point, I'm just trying stuff. I'm just trying the hair to see what I like. I think I do like it pulled back some, like this.
Time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live.
Okay, y'all, so I am back with my final thoughts. I like this wig. I do believe that it is something that can be quick, that you can throw on and go. As y'all saw, that it's not glued down, so you don't have to wear it all the time, or you don't have to sleep in it. I do think that, like I said in the video, that it is a little snug, so you may not want to sleep in it. I don't think you also have to have the baby hairs on it either, so you could skip that step if you're not good with baby hairs. But it does come with baby hairs if you do want to try and see what it looks like. My only complaint is, like I said, it doesn't, it's snug, y'all, and that's, if you watch my videos, you know I normally don't have that problem. My head is medium size, and this is supposed to be a medium cap, but it's a little snug. But I'm gonna show y'all what the back of it look like. So that's what the back looks like. I think it's pretty. Y'all probably see it again at some point. It definitely will become a quick work wig, or going out for brunch or something. Again, this is how long it is. I'll turn around to the back as well so y'all can see from the back how long it is. So normally when I get box braids, I don't get them this long. I get them a little bit shorter. I usually get them here, so I know this is not something that I can wear every day just because of how long it is. But I think it is a beautiful unit, and I think it can be worn every day if you want to keep it on. If you don't, like I showed you guys earlier in the video, as far as the back goes, I don't know if you want to, you know, pin it up or whatever, because it does have braids in the back, but they aren't all that close, so it may come off a little wiggy if you do it that way. But I think overall the construction looks really nice. I use lace tint on the inside of it, so I wouldn't have to go in with foundation, but I do have foundation here. where I can go in and make my part look a little bit more natural. In fact, I'll do that now. Okay, so see how that, you know, gives me a little bit more realistic scalpy vibe. It's not giving wig. Okay, so yeah, overall I would give this wig probably a 9 out of 10. I can't give it a 10 out of 10 because of how small it is, and it comes with adjustable straps. You don't even need the adjustable straps, honestly. If the wig construction was a little bit bigger, I probably would like it more because I'd be able to do more with it, but I can't wear it a lot or a long time because it's a little snug and it may give me a headache. I don't know. As far as density, it's not really heavy. If you wear braids or protective styles, it's nothing like that. It's not heavy like that, so that is a plus. That is definitely a positive, that it's not heavy with the length that it is. You know, it's not heavy at all, so I do like that. And I do love how realistic it looks as well. I think that's really nice how realistic it looks. That's a plus. And you can kind of change your parting at the top and at the front, and you can do other things with it. So I think that's nice as well if you want to just pull it back. If you know, you like to wear your hair to this side, you can do that as well. Switch the parting up. You can kind of style the front if you want. Pull it to the back, pin it to the back. Still looks really natural. So overall, I really like it. I do. Let me see if I can twist this side like that as well. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've heard of these, if you've tried one before, if you like them, if you don't like them, if you're interested in it, if you're not interested in it. Just comment down below your thoughts. I do read the comments and I do try to respond. If I don't, please charge it to my mind and not to my heart, because it is not personal. As always, thank you guys for the support. I appreciate you watching my videos, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.